Okay, folks, so let's just go over yesterday's live trading room trading plan and also what we traded in the live room in front of our clients. So yesterday we were really saying that 5140 is very important. Now, at the moment, the markets are still very negative across all time frames, so short term, medium, and long term, very negative. But yesterday we'd actually penciled in the likelihood of a recovery rally if we can see some good action above 5140. So we'll come back to that in a second, but that was key. So possible buys or sells really around the 5140 today. And we were going to use the 5-minute bar. So the 5-minute bar was to confirm whether or not we were going to be rallying or selling off down to 5,000 again. Short term, we are negative, of course. Long term, negative, and really everything was on the 5-minute bar. So let's go and have a look at the action. All right, so I've penciled in 5140 here for you. So, and again, that was very, very important. So let's just have a look at the action. So we opened at, let's get the open. This is the opening 5-minute bar. So you can see we opened at 51.75. So above that 51.40 level, then we rallied up. So this was the high of the rally in the first 5 minutes. So that's quite important, this level here. Okay. The trades we had in the room, we had, well, the stats for the 5-minute bar break either way were good. So to the upside, it made sense to take it because I was already, bullish above 51.40. But actually, Ian gave, one of our pro traders gave stats on a breakdown at 86% chance of winning as well. So that was also an option to take yesterday for the 5-minute bar. And of course, that won. The 5-minute bar did break down and then it hit target for a nice win. So that was a 5-minute bar option 1 trade, which worked. Option 2 was actually to take the 5-minute bar up if we didn't hit target to the downside, but we hit target to the downside on the 5-minute bar. So there was no trade on the 5-minute bar. But what I did say though, for option 3, for the trade plan yesterday, was that if we took out the morning's high, we could basically get long with a stop below 5085. So 5085 was here, and we told our clients, well, certainly if you're in the room yesterday, told you to get in at 52.25. So waiting for a clear break above that level. So that was triggered. So you could have just left an order in this really to trigger, but with the buy there, with your stop below 5085, which was down here. And then, of course, the risk reward was really nice. It was kind of up towards it was up to 5400, which of course has hit. We're trading at 53.90, but it's actually rallied all the way up to 5500. So that trade worked nicely. And other trades you could have looked at for the day using that 5140 level. Well, look, we spiked below it here half an hour after the open, then recovered straight away. So you could have waited for a 1 2 3. Actually, we actually got a 1 2 3. We got a 5-minute bar candlestick here, high here, high here. So you could have got in on a reversal there, but actually, to be honest, it made sense to get in on the break. Or you could have waited for the 1 2 3 and taken a retracement of the 1 2 3 pattern. So a Fibonacci tool would have got you in 50% here. Actually didn't quite get there, so the retracement there wouldn't have got you in, but 38% would have got you in for that reversal signal back above 5140. So it was all really about that 5140 level, as mentioned on the report, and the early action, quick false break below, and then off we went, and we can see the action the action just kept going up really, and it was all basically centered around the Senate agreeing that rescue package. I expected some of the package to be priced in, but anyway, positive news coming out of America led to a very big rally yesterday. So so 5,400 hit nicely. So we'll see where we go today, and whether or not we're going to be back on the sell side, or we're still looking to buy pullbacks today with the chance of further upside. So we'll update you in the live room. Hopefully you found that useful, and as usual, any questions, just type them into our support email.